My name is Seo Dong Keun, and I am the director of the Seoul International Company. Our garment factory specializes in producing high-quality clothing items for international brands. We focus on woven and we ensure compliance with international standards. For installing solar energy, we often experienced unstable electricity supply. We had to stop machines during blackouts, and even when the power came back, restarting the system took time. Our production schedule was frequently delayed. We wanted to find a clean and cost-effective solution. Also, seeing other factories successfully implement solar energy inspired us to follow. We used diesel generators, but they were expensive and noisy. We wanted to reduce energy costs, avoid production interruptions, and contribute to environment. Working with Indigo Energy has been smooth and professional. Their team provided expert guidance and handled the installation efficiently with minimal disruption. They provided us track record, reasonable pricing, and excellent after-sales service. They also provided customized solutions for our factory. We're proud to be part of the green energy movement. Investing in solar energy supports our goal of sustainability and improves our brand image with clients who value eco-friendly practices.